with great technology to help you run your business a lot more simply and a lot more easily. A few months ago, we launched Release 3.0, a release where we completely revamped the GST experience to make it faster, more usable, also introduced a digital payments collection method to be able to make it easier for you to manage your outstandings from your customers, and of course, several more things. And within a few weeks of launch, it became the most adopted release that we've ever had in our entire history. We've also been working on a few more things. Many months ago, our customers like you demanded the ability to run Tally on an online system in a private and secure manner. In our partnership with AWS, we launched Tally Prime on AWS. It is the only system that allows you to run Tally completely privately, completely securely, all online. A few weeks ago, we forayed into the account aggregator space. The account aggregator is an initiative by the Government of India to help you empower yourself and take control of your financial data. The way it works is very simple. It works by you creating an account aggregator account. You can link your bank accounts, your demat accounts, your GST account, your insurance account, all under one master account. And then when anyone wants access to it, it's all in your control to give them this access. It could be when you're taking a home loan, a business loan, or managing your wealth. To this end, we created a product called Tally Edge. This is live now. You can go to the Play Store or the App Store, download it, link your accounts, and start taking control. I'd love to get your feedback to see what more we can do for you. And this is made specifically for business owners to take charge of their financial lives. Now at Tally, one of the things that we've prided ourselves most on is to create software that is simple to use and importantly fun to use when you run your business. And in the last few months, we've been working on a product that we feel a modern business like yours would really love to use. A product that allows you to visualize your data and get easier insights. A product that allows you to integrate with the rest of your organization in your own way. And a product that brings you professional business communications. In Tally Prime Release 4.0, we are launching intuitive and powerful custom dashboards, the ability to be able to import any Excel sheet into Tally very, very simply, and also the power of professional business communications with the integration with WhatsApp for Business. So let's dive right in. Now at Tally, very honestly, we felt like we've got one of the most powerful reporting engines that exists in the world. With the magic of drill down, our auto column, add column, comparison reports, we've always had a fantastic reporting product. A few months ago, we added a simplified report filter capability that is extremely powerful. And this, combined with the Save View feature, allows you to create unlimited custom reports all by yourself to get the insights that you need. Now, with Release 4, we're launching custom dashboards. Dashboards allow you to get a bunch of data in one place to be able to get more insight into running your business. But dashboards mean different things for different people. They mean different things for different businesses. Within a business, they'll mean different things for different people inside that business. And very honestly, over time, it even requires that much change for yourself. With Release 4, your ability to create your own custom dashboard now exists. And of course, with the magic of Tally, which gives you drill down. Now at Tally, we have been using Release 4 for the last several weeks to make sure that you would love to use it as well. And I created my own dashboard. So I look at monthly sales, monthly net profit, outstandings. I look at cash and bank balances. And I also look at the top expenses for the month. Our finance head looks at different data. He looks at working capital movement. He looks at certain cost centers that matter to him. And he also looks at certain ledgers that make a difference to his role. Like this, we have created custom dashboards for our sales head, for our commercial head, and even for our CA. right? We work with them on a very frequent basis. To take a look at how this works, we've created a small video.
As a business owner, you take important decisions every day to manage and grow your business. You rely on data, and we don't want you to waste time every day trying to get data from multiple places. With Tally Prime Release 4.0, we have crafted our dashboards to make sure all your data is easily accessible and presented in a manner made for you. A single screen to give you a complete overview of your business anytime you want. You decide what data matters to you, whether it's daily cash flow, pending orders, cash balance, outstanding payment and receipts, fast or slow moving items. The list goes on. You make your own tiles to compare different time periods, change your graphics, add tables, and even resize to your liking. We have even given you the ability to configure your tally, so the first thing you see is your dashboard. And one of our most favorite things, it includes the magic of drill down. Bring the power of your business to the front and make dashboards for yourself, your sales team, your accountant, your CA. Each dashboard is made for its user. All you need to do is run your business and let Tally do the rest. Tally Prime 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.
Thank you. I'd love to see how you guys create your own dashboards and honestly inspire us to do a lot more. Now, onto one of the most demanded features out of Tally, the ability to import an Excel sheet into Tally and, of course, done the Tally way. Now, Tally is not a difficult product. In fact, it's one of the easiest products to actually integrate with. You may have different systems, you want them to talk to Tally. It just takes a little bit of customization. Over the last few months, we've seen many of you starting to sell online on marketplaces, expanding your businesses, and many CAs, of course, continue to work with folks who maintain their data in Excel. Now, how do we get all of these different sheets inside Tally? With our new easy-to-use Excel import feature, you can import any Excel sheet that you want with the simplicity that you would expect by yourself. You can take e-commerce data, use either a template that we have got or any sheet that you may have yourself and simply import it into Tally. Your business may be expanding, branches, banks, or different business points. And some of that data also may be in Excel, and it's easy to import that into Tally as well. And of course, CAs, accountants, GSTPs will have a regular feature where customers are using and maintaining data in Excel. And pulling that into Tally has never been easier. We again made a small video. Let's take a look at how that works.
As your organization grows, operations can become more complex. More and more systems and processes are introduced, and you need everything to talk to each other. We want you to run your business, not manage your systems. We want you to have all your business data in one place, not scattered across Excel files. With Tally Prime Release 4.0, no matter how large or complicated your Excel data is, you can now import everything into Tally within seconds. As a business, you may have e-commerce sales data, cash books, financial statements, price lists, or sales data sitting on Excel. As a tax expert, your clients may send you their data in Excel in a variety of formats. With Tally Prime Release 4.0, you can import any Excel sheet with the ease that you would expect. No more manual entry. No more errors. Just a simple solution to give you a single source of truth for your business. With simple Excel import. Tally Prime Release 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.
And now everybody uses WhatsApp. We use it to talk to friends, family, location sharing, photo sharing, document sharing. And all of us in this room, I'm sure, use it to run our businesses also. Instructions to the team, reports from the team, communication with customers, suppliers, partners, all of this happens on WhatsApp. And what we felt at Tally was that we could do a lot more if these two systems just spoke. With our partners over the last few months, we've been working very hard with Interact and with Meta to integrate Tally Prime Release 4.0 with WhatsApp for Business. And this brings you complete professional business communication. You can send any document to anybody, any way you want to send it at any time. This is extremely powerful. You can make an invoice, send it to a customer at that moment. If you want to send reminder letters at the end of the day to all your customers, you can do that. If you want to send reports to your colleagues, you can do that. And if you want to even reply to your customers, conversations, the delivery note that needs to be clarified or the invoice that needs to be clarified, you can simply log on to the web portal and even continue the conversation there. Now again, at Tally, we have been using this for several weeks. And very honestly, I have never felt more in control of my own business. At the end of the day, I get the total number of payments made, to whom they are made. I get, at the end of the week, the outstanding report. At the end of the month, I get our sales and net profit reports. And this has made me feel totally in control, despite the amount that I travel for work. Again, we've made a short video, and I'd love for you all to take a look.
Today, we use WhatsApp for almost anything. To talk to our families and friends, to connect with our customers and suppliers, and even manage our teams. With Tally Prime Release 4.0, we have worked closely with the Meta team to bring you an integrated experience of WhatsApp for Business in the product. Now you can send any document on WhatsApp with a single click. You can send invoices, reminders, complete outstanding statements, or even just payment links and QR codes to your customers. Easily send dashboards to yourself and your colleagues, and even send reports to your CA, all from Tally Prime with WhatsApp. You can just open the browser and access the inbox to respond to anyone too. Managing your business-related communications has never been simpler or more professional. Tally Prime Release 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.
So guys, we're almost at the end. My team and I are extremely excited to have made this product for you, and I hope over the next few weeks you'll be as excited to use it as we've been to make it. Now at Tally, our pride is in making solutions that are simple to use and delightful to use. And today, it gives me a great amount of pleasure to announce the general availability of Tally Prime Release 4.0. If you're a customer and you like what you see and you have an active Tally software service subscription, this release is completely for free. If you're a customer and you don't have an active TSS subscription, all you need to do is renew it and you'll get this release for free. And if you're not yet a customer but like what you see, reach out to your nearest partner, call us, or visit tallysolutions.com to see how we can help your business. Before we close, I'd like to call on a couple of customers who've been using Release 4 to share their experience with you as well. First up, I'd like to call a dear friend, a long ally of the company and of the product, and someone who really pushes us to do a lot more in the product. CA Venugopal. So he's been with us for a very, very long time, and he's our biggest critic, I would feel. He's been using Release 4. I'd like for him to share his experience.
Thank you, Tejas. And it's my privilege that I've been using this 4.0 much earlier than yours. And I've been with the Tally since 99-2000. So I've been using it from the DOS version. I've been in practice from 22 years, and I'm always educating customers saying that use technology. And between Tally 3.0 to 4.0 definitely is a huge change. Many things Tejas spoke, but from my experience, which I've been using since almost close to a month, the first biggest feature which I like and love is Excel. As we finance professional, we use Excel day in, day out. The biggest advantage which I find with the Excel integration, it doesn't need any coding. Like each one of you sitting here can take your own Excel. There's nothing, there are predefined templates, but you can take your own Excel. And data gets imported. Masters transactions, multifolds. It could be data in columnar, data in vertical columnar, or in matrix. Any format, anything you can think of, data gets imported. In fact, when I was sharing this with my team, I realized that I should also give a caution. Like I like the Spider-Man's quote, with great responsibility, the powers always comes with the great responsibility. So your Excel, you know the best, and data can move in zap. So you just need to do some ETL. Once you extract the data, transform it so that it can be consumed and then load it into Tally. So anything you can think of, 1 year data, you're from the Salesforce or Amazon or any format. You want to migrate from say QuickBooks or any application, data can simply move to Tally. That is a powerful feature. I should definitely appreciate all the tech team who has brought this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Second feature on the WhatsApp I want to say, because most of the customers always have this challenge on collections, and AR is the biggest thing. And customers always ask, send me the account statement and get me the information. Like they just said, it's really intuitive. You can send dashboards, you can send AR, you can send invoice, you can send everything to your customers, your owners, your colleagues. The information can happen, and it is also two-way. People can communicate back to you. And those who did not use 3.0, where you can put your own QR code for payments, now in the WhatsApp, you can only send the link for collecting payment. So they just click on that and the payments. I feel it is great. And with those dashboards, now the owners who generally doesn't like to get into the debit credit, they can only see the dashboard, the top information that they need it is what. And trust me, this is the 4.0 is like one sticking product now. You would be more and more into the Tally. So that's what is my experience. I've been using close to a month. Thank you, Tejas, and thank you, the team.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So, a short and sweet introduction, but we've got demo stations for deep dives, both behind you, as well as for those of us who have joined us virtually. We've got virtual demo rooms set up to answer all your questions in detail. We've got 15 demo stations here, so all your questions are going to get answered. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay safe and stay healthy. We'll catch up around here.